Hi. Hi. Welcome. Here. Just got up and yes. My leg is very itchy. So I'm gonna do what's in my first video. Yeah, remember that little blood artery store because it didn't work out. See. So let's start. Got stick thingies. Dang it. Got stick thingies. Why do I need these to kill me? I need these. I'd use them for golf because they never give me golf sticks. And I hate golf now, so. So general write paper. Let's see what's on there. Oh, okay. Yeah, store it up in there sometime. We got some homework. This looks like fourth grade homework, but I use it. Oh, wow. I got a Nitzel. I got some pills. I got a closer. I don't know why I got pills, but I mean, those are papers I really don't need. I got a pencil. Wow, pencil and a sticker maker. I use it a lot. It's traces. I tried doing it to my skin, but it's a sticker maker. Pencil sharp. I have a pencil sharpener. A doll. Some headphones. Doll. I cut her hair. Wow. Some knickknacks, which is paper. Let's use them in story about the person I created. Story about TV. Story of letter. And then I think I drew some flowers. Or like things I love about flower people. Stuff like that. And here's a flower head. It wasn't finished, but some paper. Some more homework. This is hard homework, but I did it. It's my sister. She's 14. Just a blank paper. Some of these are Leo papers. Another blank paper, I guess. Some clean papers. All these papers are my purse. Some earrings I was going to give away, but nobody answered from my other account. Sometimes I like to write with a red thing. Just stick it on here and start writing. A wallet I like a lot. Something fell out. Something fell out. Something fell out. What's in my wallet? I will do that in my next video, but it's going to be short, so I can do what's in my wallet and something else. Why don't I just do it now? Now it's fun. Yeah, I should just do it now. What's in my wallet? Unstable, like menu, and nothing to heal. You see in the candy wrapper and paper. My SDD card. And some homework. Wow. It's some other kind of homework. I really wasn't necessary, but I did. And a piece of cardboard. Ooh, cardboard. And now my wallet. I need my SDD card. I don't know why I pulled that out. I just... You're probably wondering, what's an ACD card? A kid card. I'll clean it up. Here's some other homeworks. Here's a screwdriver. You never know. You need to fix. Got a teddy bear. Let's see what's in my teddy bear. Because yes, I do store stuff in my teddy bear. It's always a prize in there, and there is my tweezer. My tweezer. Never know when some liquor's out. For a man.
Aren't you supposed to be clean?
Yes, Mama said I could take a break.
No, when did she say that?
Just later.
No. No. Start clean.
She did say I could take a break.
When? Oh.
I got some eyeliner. It's really fancy, and you guys know it wiggles, and it's great eyeliner. I love it. I'm gonna start keeping that in my wallet. And I'm unstable a lot. There's another one I hate. It's just straight. And then I got some jam wrapper, jam pickle tops. These come in handy, so I like to keep them with me. For music, for the church. Some of you might not go to church. Sometimes I really don't go to church. Like, every 5 Sundays later, like, I go to church. That's it. I don't go every Sunday. And I have some beauty lotion. One sec. Where's my clear thing? My clear bottle. That looked like a nail polish. Did you throw that away?
You didn't throw somewhere away. I don't know. No, I did not.
Where is it then?
I set it in my bag. She looked for nail polish. I'm talking to her, so why does it bother you? It has nothing to do with you. Every time you answer, it's attitude in your voice. You don't need to brush your words out. Just relax, because I'm not even talking to you. Doesn't make sense.
Okay, we're just doing something real quick for my sister. So what's in here? Some glitter. Some purple glitters. I'm supposed to have about 8 glitters. Oh, I know. I need my markers. Stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh. I'm not going to use a screwdriver. Okay, that feels better. For you that think I'm weird, I'm just scratching with a screwdriver. So here's my glitter colors. I got gold, got blue, got purple, and I got silver. I got an itch. Oh, better. So yeah. Put the lotion on it. I think I'm gonna put some lotion on it. I'm gonna put some lotion on it. Put some lotion on it, so it won't be itchy on it. perfect. Now I need to get back. I'm sorry, hold on. My foot is really itchy. I'm looking for a necklace in my wallet. There it is. So, got this. I got a comb. Got tweezers. You might not know when to tweet. Got the nail polish. Of course, I'm unstable. Then I got this. I got these. I got candy. I got this. I got a pen. And I got some money, and I got makeup. You all know what's in here. And I got a marker. I got some money. I got this, and I got everything. I even got some money. If you want to hear, if you want to see. I'm gonna put this all in my wallet. I got all this. I got this. I got this. Got money. I'm so rich. A $20 bill. Got a $50 bill. That's $70. Yeah. I got some of this paper. I got a key to my house. I got some marker. I got this. Some nail polish. I got this. I got this if you want to see it. And I got some candy. I got a pen. I got nail polish. I got some old cards. I got this. I got that. I got the bling. And I got everything in here. If you want to see how I just stuck it right here. And the rest of my turn, just all this money. It's just money, some candy. Money, some candy. Somebody invited me from Uber, so. So here's all my candy. Uber name. Everything. Some Uber candy. This one's open. I'm gonna throw this one away. Bingo. I got all this change. If y'all want some, come and visit me in Florida, Camp Buckeye Isles, Howard Avenue. Because, you know. Here we go. So put the shaving. Alright, so look at this. Now, what am I gonna do without this? Now, since I got a wallet, I got my STD card in there. That's where I'm gonna put everything else. But, bye. It's too long.